Building or fixing your deck doesn't have to turn into a nightmare if you know what to look out for and how to handle the process like a pro. So here's the deal. First off, always check if your contractor is bonded and insured. This is a must to protect yourself from any mess-ups or accidents. When they start work, keep an eye on the flashing. This metal or rubber stuff helps water slide off and not get trapped under your deck. If it doesn't cover the edges properly, you're asking for rot and mold later. Make sure they pre-drill holes before screwing into wood, especially for railing posts, because driving screws directly can split the wood and weaken your structure. Joist tape is another thing people often miss. It keeps water from damaging those wooden supports. Watch for uneven decking boards with gaps that are too big or too small. This not only looks bad, but can cause issues with water drainage and safety. If the deck or stairs aren't level, like slanting toward or away from the house, that's a red flag since it can lead to water pooling or tripping hazards. Don't ignore fasteners that look overdriven or improperly placed. They should be flush but not hammered in so hard that they damage the wood. Finally, trust your gut. If something feels off or sloppy, ask questions before letting them finish. One of the biggest mistakes I see with deck projects is poor flashing installation, which causes water damage and rot. Fix this by insisting on full edge coverage and proper overlap with house wrap. Another common issue is using lag bolts without predrilling, leading to split posts and weak railings. The fix is simple. Make sure holes are pre-drilled every time. Lastly, uneven decking or stairs slanting weirdly not only looks unprofessional but can be dangerous, so demand a level surface and proper slope away from the house to avoid water problems and accidents. BigHomeProjects.com is like your buddy in the home improvement world, hooking you up with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. For contractors, it's a solid way to get connected with homeowners ready to get work done without all the usual hassle.